Welcome
Welcome
to
to
Grammar
Grammar
Unit
Lessons from
Lessons
BM
from
English Speaking.
BM Training. Let's study in unit number 18. There is, there was, etc. We use there is or there are and its different forms to say that something that exists or is in a certain location. कोई चीज का लोकेशन बताने के लिए या फिर कोई चीज हकीकत में अस्तित्व में है ये जताने के लिए there is या there are का उपयोग होता है. There is or there are is used in present simple tense. Of course, you guessed it right. There is a bug on the table. There is a bus at 8:30. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. There was, there were. Let's understand. Let's understand past simple tense. There is a bus at 6 o'clock. The time now is 6 o'clock. There were 2 buses before this. There was a bus at 5 o'clock. There has been, there have been. 4 years ago and now. You see the difference? We often use present perfect to express about the change that has happened over a period of time. कुछ समय में जो चेंजेस हो चुके हैं वो जताने के लिए पूर्ण वर्तमान काल का हम उपयोग करते हैं. उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल देयर वॉज रेन 4 years ago. 4 साल पहले बारिश हुई थी. देयर वर लीव्स ऑन द ट्री. झाड़ पर पत्ते थे. आफ्टर दैट टाइम देयर वॉज नो रेन. उसके बाद बारिश नहीं हुई है. देयर हैज बीन अ ड्रॉट फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. बहुत साल से ड्रॉट रहा है. देयर हैज बीन अ ड्रॉट. देयर हैज बीन, the short form is there's been. Let's compare there was a drought last year. That is in the past simple tense. गए साल ड्रॉट हुआ था. ये हुआ past simple tense. But बहुत सालों से रहा है, अभी तक है, तब हम बोलेंगे there has been a drought for many years, which means many years back it started. It is still there. Water is not available right now. Let's look at the usage of there will be. It's future simple tense. There will be an online test tomorrow. There will be many students for the exams. There won't be any talking allowed in the exam. Exam में बातें करना अलाउड नहीं होगा. फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस सादा भविष्यकाल. Will not is a short form. The short form of will not is won't. Negative sentences are formed by adding not after is or are, or was or were, or have or has or will. There is not a drop of water in the village lake. There will not be many people attending this seminar. Thank you.